Hi, my name is Chase. I've been a hair club client for 21 years, and today I'm going to show you how to do a salon visit at home. I use a strip adhesive in the back and then either a strip adhesive in the front or a liquid adhesive. So what I like to do whenever I do my salon visit at home is do it in stages, so I don't ever have to take it completely off and then put it back completely on and worry about the placement. I like to do it in stages. I think that's easier, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. First, I start with the back and I just peel it back. If it doesn't peel easily, I use a remover. Okay, and then I simply remove the tape from my scalp. Again, you can use remover to help with that process. Then I would normally take a shower and go ahead and clean the system. Obviously, I'm not going to do that right now, and my hair is fairly clean, so I'm going to move on to reapplying the new adhesive strips. So then after I've showered and I've dried my hair, I can start applying the strips along the system while it's still on my head. Now I'm ready to lay my hair down, and when I do this, I am going to take my fingers on either side of the system and I'm going to be pulling back and down the whole time to keep from getting any wrinkles in the system. Okay, now the back is done, and now all I have to do is the front. So, I simply peel back like I normally would when I change my front strip adhesive or liquid. Today I'm actually going to apply a liquid adhesive. Use a little bit of solvent. If I had a liquid adhesive on here, I would be rolling the adhesive off of the lace with a towel. I would simply take a towel and I would rub the adhesive towards the ends. The adhesive will end up near the hairline, and then I will take a comb with adhesive remover and pull that adhesive out, cleaning up the hairline. I can also use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, to get like any little bits of adhesive that got stuck in the hairline, to clean that all up. And now I'm ready to take my shower again. And then after I've showered and I've dried my hair, I can apply frontal adhesive to the front. All I'm going to do is lay down my hairline and then make a mark directly in front of it. Okay, so now I know where to put the liquid adhesive. Try to get as close to my dots as possible without going over them. Okay, so now I've applied my first coat. I'm going to wait 7 minutes and then I will do my second coat. Now I can go ahead and remove my marks. using a little bit of alcohol-based solvent and just very carefully remove these. It's been about 7 minutes. Now I'm ready to lay down my front hairline. To do that, I simply set it down by pulling out and down gently. And then I take a brush, preferably with these little protector ends on them, and I press down. It's better to use a brush than it is your fingers so you don't end up with your bodily oils on the adhesive. And then I see how I did. Sometimes you go over, sometimes you don't get far enough. Looks like it's pretty good. Maybe I'll add a little bit extra right here. But overall, I did a good job. Okay, looks like I did a pretty good job. Now all I need to do is style my hair. Alright, so that's how I do a full salon visit at home. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.